Hi everyone, Lori Whitlock here. In this video, we're going to put together the concave curve top treat box that I have at the Silhouette Design Store and in my shop at shop.loriwhitlock.com in SVG format. So in front of me I have the pieces, which we have a main box base and a little label shape with a little label on top that you could stamp a sentiment on or create a print and cut to fit there for your event. So this little box would make a great little party favor for a wedding or something like that. So you're going to take your main piece, go ahead and fold on these two long lines here and burnish that in with a bone folder. And then you're going to turn it over, and on the bottom you're going to notice there's two lines here. And they don't go all the way to the edges, they just go from those two lines that we just burnished in. So go ahead and get those folded in place. And then here on the sides, you're going to locate these triangle pieces here. Fold on those triangles, and as you fold on those triangles, you can push in, and you want those two to meet together. And that's going to force a little crease in here on a score line that I've created. So do that on both of those sides, and you're going to end up with a little piece that looks like this. And this looks very similar to the curved top ribbon tie treat box that I created, but I've made a little change to this one. We've got a curve here that allows you to push those in, and it has a little concaveness to it there. I don't know if that's a word, concaveness, but anyways, those fold in and it creates this cute little, looks like a little purse or a little tent shape, but it makes a great little favor box where you don't have to glue anything, and then you can just put your little label here on the front. I've used a little a pop dot for that, and just put your little label on the front, and then we're going to wrap some baker's twine or ribbon or whatever you want to use. Wrap that around, leave a little bit to tie, and then just pull that up at the top. And tie a little bow. And if you wanted to eliminate the label and put a little like a charm style label that you thread onto here, you could do that as well. That'd be cute. Look how fun this is. We'll just trim off these edges. And there you have it. Starling little favor box. I think it'd make a great little wedding favor box, or just whatever event you have, an anniversary or a baby shower. You could put little candies in them, or just little treats of some sort. Anyways, I hope you enjoy making this cute little box, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.